So good afternoon to everyone. The topic of presentation is a cleaning procedure under the subject of accommodation operation practicals. The subject code is 40818. So we start with a one video. Okay, I will show you one video. After that, we will start the presentation. So, anyone observe what they do is in this video from the starting? Anyone?
Sir, cleaning of a room,
Hmm.
and first they open the curtains
Mhm.
and switch on the all lights.
Yes.
After that, they start whole procedure of cleaning.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? Arshdeep? Arshdeep? Harmanjot?
Yes, sir.
क्या ऑब्जर्व किया आपने वीडियोस? What you have observed?
सर सर क्लीनिंग के मेथड बताए हैं कैसे कैसे क्लीनिंग करनी है। सीधा मतलब सीधा फ्लोर पे नहीं डालना, मतलब केमिकल पहले डाल के फिर वाइप मारना है। मेथड बताए हैं सर, मेथड बताए हैं कैसे कैसे करना है।
Okay. Anyone else?
Sir, different color of hanky used for different purposes.
Yes.
Like
Very good.
a sky blue used for uh, wardrobe and wash basin and mirror of the windows, and red used for toilet seat,
Yes.
and light yellow used for the wall of the bathrooms, the tiles of the bathrooms.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. So, but the first question is how they started. Okay. They set up their trolley. Okay. But the things are required, types of linen required, like a towel, hand towel, bath towel. Okay. Then face towel. Okay. Now, amenities they required. Okay. So they set up their trolley, and the name of the trolley is Made in Trolley. Made in Trolley. Okay. Then they go for the room which assigned by their supervisor. First, the first step is to knock the door and speak housekeeping, then housekeeping, then housekeeping. If you did not get any answer from inside the room, then you take your key, which is known as a floor key. Okay, then open your room. Okay, again you have to speak. हो सकता है गेस्ट सो रहा हो, they are sleeping. Okay, or they did not get the voice of yours, then you have to tell the housekeeping your department name. If you see nobody is there, then you have to start the cleaning procedure. If the guest inside in the room, then you have to request or ask to the guest that they required cleaning or not. Okay, if they required, then do it. If it not required, then अब जो है अपना वापस अपनी ट्रॉली लेके go for the next room. Okay. Everybody understood the same?
Yes, sir.
Saif Raja.
Yes, sir.
समझ आ गया बेटा जो मैंने समझाया अभी?
Yes, sir. But एक question है कि if a guest is sleeping, then what we have to do? Can we have to wake up?
No. Do not disturb the guest. Mostly in the hotels, if the guest is sleeping, what they do is
Yes, sir.
they put a tag on their in the front of their room, that is D&D, called as do not disturb. Okay.
Okay.
If
Thank you,
again
sir.
they forget to
Yes.
tag the tag, then you that's why you open the door and ask again housekeeping. Okay, if the guest is still sleeping, then you came back from outside to the room.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now the objective of housekeeping is describing the role of housekeeping within the hotel and explaining the relationship with the other departments. The objectives of PPT is to describe the role of housekeeping and the relationship with other departments. Like the housekeeping have relation with the front office, the housekeeping have a relation with F&B service. Okay, the housekeeping have a relation with mechanical department, maintenance department, okay, finance department, human resource department, etc. No, now main thing is why do guests return to the hotel? Suppose if you are go for the hotel, you paid a hefty amount to the hotel. Okay, so one एक side आपने जो है you got a best service. Okay, the another side you have a worse experience. Okay, so that's why we care. Why do guests return to the hotel? Okay, the first thing is the cleanliness and appearance. Cleanliness is very important. Appearance of the hotel, the room is very important. Good service, okay? How they speak, how the employees speak to the guest, how they give a good solve their problems, or you can say is fulfill the requirements of the guest. Next, facility provided by the hotel, the convenience and location. Okay, if the hotel is nearby the airport, the guests have the convenience that they have some business work. Okay, they have to appear in the conference. The airport is nearby situated. In the airport, they can go attend the conference or stay, then get back to their home. Now, reasonable prices, okay, and name and reputation of particular hotel. Okay, name and reputation is very important. So if you for example, if you are planning to book a hotel, then what you can do is you may ask to your friends, you may go to the websites, okay, like Make My Trip, Trivago, Go Ibigo, Clear My Trip, etc. ठीक है, तो आप वहां से रेटिंग्स हैं, रिव्यूज हैं, you may get reviews of the from the hotel, okay. So if sheets are solid, blankets are rough and scratchy, pillow thin and non-sportive, and shower curtains are moldy and stained, the entire image of hotel is tarnished and guests mostly like will no return. Housekeeping is the customer's first impression and last impression. Okay, so that's why they hire a good staff, those have a knowledge of the housekeeping. Okay, if you the guest came to the hotel, अगर आप ही कहीं गए हो, you see dirty linen, every linen is dirty, bad smell. Okay, so do not have a particular amenities, simple basic amenities. ठीक है, तो you may discourage. Okay, तो आपने सोचो कि इतने पैसे दिए हैं, तो आपको कुछ सर्विस क्यों नहीं मिल रही, ठीक है ना? तो सर्विस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और because of the housekeeping department, the guests return to the hotel again and again. The first preference is housekeeping department. Now, the next is importance of housekeeping. So, without a strong housekeeping staff, the guests would not have clean rooms to check in or return to. Okay, the lobby would be, furniture and fixture would be dusty, and the hotel would look unkept and dirty. ठीक है, तो अगर ऐसा होगा तो कोई भी नहीं आएगा. So the characteristics common to all lodging establishment, regardless of size category, is the need of housekeeping services that refreshing. In short, housekeeping, called as HK department, established a hotel reputation for cleanliness and quality. Okay, so cleanliness and quality are firstly depend on the housekeeping only. Department is vital to attracting and keep guests through its role of maintaining top quality decor, cleanliness and services. Okay, so if you see the minimum in the 5 stars, if you see in the Amritsar only, the minimum price of 5-star hotel is about 5,000. Okay, so you are paying 5,000 per night, including breakfast, but you got a dirty linen, a bad smell room. Okay, you don't have any amenities, bathroom amenities. Okay, now what you can do is, you gave a bad feedback on online websites. You asked to the repeatedly to the staff for the cleanliness. ठीक है, तो bad experience हो गया ना सबका. तो आप किसी को रिकमेंड करोगे ऐसा होटल कोई? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
No? That's why housekeeping is a very important department. Now, if we see the job role of housekeeping persons, it's include a cleaning of room, changing bedding, cleaning all bathrooms, replacing toiletries, cleaning room area, common areas, doing laundry, ensuring a cleaning overall appearance. The horticulture departments also include in the housekeeping department. Okay, so horticulture is also very important. This will show the good appearance of the hotel. It is easy to see why they are usually more employees working in the housekeeping department than in any other hotel department. It is important to have a housekeeping available for 24 hours per day, as 7 days per week for guests in the hotel industry. Okay, not only the housekeeping staff, but in the hotel industry, all staff is working for 24 hours by 7, 24 by 7 for the hotel industry. Now, next is housekeeping departments. First is largest departments in the hotels. That's staff, payroll, responsibilities, eye and ears of the hotel. आँख और कान है होटल पे. Maintenance concerns, guest behavior, employee theft. The most vital department in hotel, highest impact on the guest. Remember, guest want cleanliness in any case. ठीक है, like हम आपको सभी टाइम बोलते हैं कि if you are working in kitchen, then every time I will ask, I am asking that clean. ठीक है, so cleanliness is very important. Lowest wages paid, least respect received. Okay, so lack of this department is lowest wages, the salary is minimum, and रिस्पेक्ट जो है वो उतनी नहीं मिलती. The picture is showing that is a maiden trolley. It's a type of maiden trolley. Okay. So till now, anyone have any question? Saif Raja,
Yes, sir.
you have any question?
Sir, why housekeeping received the minimum respect?
Yes. Sorry. Speak loudly.
Why housekeeping get the minimum respect?
It's not mandatory that confirm me, but they got a minimum respect. Listen me. They got a minimum respect, but जो guest interaction है वो housekeeping के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा है. Okay, if they didn't get anything, not only from housekeeping, they will from the service, from or anything required. The first जो है guest contact है वो housekeeping department के साथ है. So जो आपकी aggression है, ठीक है, जो आपके पहले सबसे पहले आपके सामने आया, आप उसके ऊपर निकाल दोगे. That's why we say that housekeeping gets least respect. Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyone have any question?
No, sir.
So the aims of the housekeeper are to achieve the maximum efficiency possible in the care and comfort of the guest in the smooth running of department. A welcoming atmosphere, reliable services, ensure a high standard of cleanliness, ठीक है? Control and supervise all staff attached to the department. So if you see in the housekeeping department, they have a, if you see in the hierarchy, so what they have is this executive housekeeper, okay, then the assistant executive housekeeper, then they have a housekeeping executives, the designation of assistant manager, then they have a floor supervisor, then they have a public area supervisor, okay, then again they have a GRA, that is guest room attendant, okay, then they have a trainee, okay. So everyone who was working in this department, they have to maintain a high standard cleanliness of all areas in the hotel, including floors, including rooms, including banquets, including the open area, public area, pool area, etc. All cleanliness are required to be done by the housekeeping department. बस एक ही जगह cleanliness नहीं होती housekeeping, that is a kitchen. Kitchen's cleaning is done by the kitchen stewarding department. Okay.